Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to Maple Leaf Customs. I'm Andrew, and it's nearly summertime. One of my favorite seasons, definitely in the top 4. Today's video is a preview of my summer 2022 lineup of customs. So pour a hot cup of coffee and settle in to see what's going to be hitting the bench here in the next few weeks. It's been a couple of months since I've done a Porsche, so why not kick things off with a 356A Outlaw. I got this in a mail call from Ron at Somo Diecast, and it hung on my Christmas tree as an ornament. This build is going to have a special twist because my friend Ben from BP Custom Creations, who did this custom flying Porsche for me last year, has made his own 3D resin base file. He's very talented. Here it is right here. He said, "I'd like you to try this out. Would you print it and see how it fits?" And I said, "I sure will. I'll try my best to make it as good as his gold standard version." We all have to pick and choose the invitationals that we'll get involved with. This is going to be a Diecast Mafia invitational that I said, sure, love to help you guys out. It's a 68 Cougar by Hot Wheels. The good cause is Alzheimer's Awareness Month. That's going to be June 15th. You can mark your calendar for each of these. I've got 5 different buddy builds planned out for this summer. I invited different guys to collaborate together, and I'm calling it my summer road trip. The first one is this Chevy C10 pickup, together with Paco's Diecast Garage, and Paco's invited everyone else who wants to join in, so mark down June 18th for that one. I'm going to do my first Chevy Bel Air this summer with a special Maple Leaf Customs livery. I recently bought a whole bunch of these, and I think I might make them up as giveaways for viewers or contest winners. So I'm going to trick that one all out and have some fun with it. Be sure not to miss it. Did you know Maple Leaf Customs is on Facebook and Instagram as well? You can follow the links in the description and keep up with me on those sites. June 30th, the last day of the month, is the 4 Horsemen build-off. It's going to be an 06 GTO. It was advertised as an Australian-New Zealand influence, as you'll see here, but we've changed that to be a drag racing theme. So get yourself an 06 GTO and join in with us and get your work and your channel name out in front of a whole bunch of new viewers. That takes us to the month of July. And July 1st is Canada Day, which means it's time for the 2nd annual All-Canadian Diecast Invitational. It's open to absolutely everybody this year, not just Canucks. I've chosen a 61 Ford Thunderbird that is in pieces, missing a windshield, missing the wheels. It's all marked up, but I'm going to spruce it up as best as I can. All you gotta do is choose any casting in any scale size and do it in the Canadian flag colors of red and white. Here's who's already on board. If you want to participate, just leave a comment below or send me an email at mapleleafcustoms@icloud.com. And if your name shouldn't be on there, let me know and I'll fix that up. I'm responsible for any mistakes that might have happened. July 1st, Canada Day, glamour shots to me at that same email address, and I'll make a recap video and put your build in with all the others. Well, the very same week, July 4th, the 3 Blind Mice are sponsoring a 4th of July parade, and I've chosen this very American 76 Greenwood Corvette as my entry. I'd love you to support my Canada Day build, so I'm getting in with the American friends that I've got. So many viewers in the States. That's going to be a fun one with lots of people taking part. My next summer road trip buddy build is with Old Man Diecast. Pete's a Camaro lover, and I'm a Porsche lover, so what we're going to do is build each other's favorite car. Pete has invited, like Paco, all others who are interested to participate. You can build any Porsche or any Camaro. It's up to you. Just have lots of fun with it. And mark down the date of July the 9th for that one. July is actually my vacation month. I'm going back to Canada for the first time in 2 years, and I'm trying to finish all of these builds in advance of my departure mid-month so my channel doesn't go dark. So you'll be able to look for this BMW 2002 in mid-July. Wish me luck getting all of those done in advance. I think I'll be able to do. It's about 2 a week between now and then. And I've got a SCHUCO, which is a German brand, BMW as well. This is a 1:43 scale size Z3. It's a car that I used to own, so it has special interest for me, and I like doing these larger scale ones every now and then. It's got a lovely detailed engine under the hood. Great looking car. Gonna have fun with that. Summer road trip buddy build number 3 is with Matchbox Mark. I saw just the other day, Mark did his own little mini preview for his summer builds, and he picked out a Type 181, and I didn't know that, but that's already what I had selected. So it's mono on mono with the Thing. It's the first one for both of us. We're back to the 4 Horsemen build, so it must be the last day of the month for July. Do you have a Jeep Gladiator just like this? If you do, we're turning it into a tow truck theme. So it looks like it's going to be off with the motorcycles and some mods required to make it into a flatbed tow truck. Lots of fun. Visit the 4 Horsemen YouTube channel to see all the information about that and the rest of the year's builds. August is my birthday month. It was always great having a birthday in the summertime as a kid. August the 6th happens to be Jamaican Independence Day as well. My friend Ricky from iRefix Diecast is putting out an all-points bulletin to his friends to participate together in a Jamaican independence celebration. I've chosen the Rally Baja crawler. It has to be done in 2 of the 3 Jamaican flag colors. My next Fury Road vehicle is going to be August 13th, and it won't be a die-cast car. It's going to be a plastic model kit because I needed to find a Man Multi 1 rocket launcher to use as the base for the doof wagon. If you've seen the film, you'll remember this character on the flaming guitar leading the way with the rock music blaring out of the speakers. There's going to be lots of 3D printing involved in this one. It's kind of my epic build of the summer, and I hope you'll mark your calendar for mid-August so you don't miss this or any of the other builds that are coming up. The Diecast Sheriff has invited me to participate with him in a special build-off. He has chosen the Porsche 935. Both of us are going to do this. I can report to you now, this project has a special twist, which I'm not revealing to you yet, but please mark your calendar for August 20. Tune in, and you'll see the theme is Random Act of Kindness. I wonder what that will be about. Another collaboration is together with BP Custom Creations and the Diecast Media Network and myself. It's going to be 3-way participation with a Cybertruck. And the theme is to turn it into a garbage truck. That won't take very long, will it? Finito. Watch and see what the 3 of us come up with. And the very last one to show you for the summer lineup is a Nissan 370Z. It's the end of the month, so it's a 4 Horsemen build. This one is on the theme of hill climbing cars, so get on YouTube and do a little research and find out what you need to do to your 370Z, and be sure to participate with us. We'd love to have you join in. The more, the merrier. There they all are. The blister packs are done. That's about all that's done right now. And I'm wishing you a great summer time and a vacation if you've got one. Relax and enjoy the fine weather wherever you are. It's coffee time.